Okay students, welcome back to the new lecture. I'm going to minimize once again this and now come here. For example, this is my table. I want to insert the rows or insert the columns. So very easy is this. You can simply come here. For example, I want to insert a column right here. So select the column wherever you like. If you like to create one column, select one column. If you want to create more than one column, select more than one columns as well. So it's upon your requirements, you whatever you like. I will just simply come here. You can use right click as well. Right click here and then you can see insert command is here. So if you click on this insert, it will make a new a column over here for you. But if you want to use this insert command, you can come here, insert sheet column is here. So simply select insert sheet columns from here. It will do the same for you. Similarly, for example, if you want let's say to insert row over here, let's say more than one rows I want to create right here. So select this, right click here and then click on insert command. When you click on insert command, it will make some new rows for you. Similarly, if you don't want to use this way, come here, insert sheet rows command is here. You can use this as well. Similarly, for example, if you want to delete any column, let's say this is empty column, I want to delete this, so click here and delete sheet columns, right? Similarly, you can right click as well, delete command is here. If you like, you can use from here. So I'm just going to delete this. Again, I will select all of these from here, come here and delete sheet rows, so it will be deleted from here. So you can delete, you can insert rows or columns, whatever you like over here. You can see here students, here we have formats. If you click on this format, you have different options over here. If you go back to my second lecture, I explained to you, for example, if you want to increase or decrease the size of the columns, the size of the rows over here, you can do this, right? But for example, your table is uneven like this. Uneven means some columns are bigger, some are smaller, some rows are bigger in size, some are smaller in size, and it's difficult for you to go and do it one by one. So a shortcut way is also over here. You can use this. I'm just going to select the whole table. I will select the whole table, simply click on format, and then you have here an option auto fit row height. Auto fit means automatically system will adjust the height of your rows. So if you select this, you can see system is adjusting this. Similarly, I have the columns that are having more space over here. For example, this column has less space, it has more space. Again, uneven columns are here. So I'm selecting the whole table from here. Simply come here, click on format. You have here auto fit column width. Auto fit column width means automatic adjustment of your column if you want. So you can click on this, it will be adjusted automatically. But in some cases, students, remember, in some cases you need some specific degrees or specific number of row height and column width. So in that case, what you need to do, you have to come here. For example, row height, I want some specific number. If you see here, you can see row height is by default 15, right? This is the number. I want to make it double. So if you select this right here, 30. If you write here 30 and click on OK, now you can see the row height is also almost double over here. I'm just going to minimize it a little bit to decrease the size of the page, so you can see the row height is increased. Similarly, in some cases maybe you need to increase the column width as well or decrease. So you can come here. By default it doesn't give you anything, but let's say I want to make it 18 size from here. So click on this 18 and then click on OK. So you can see the system is actually giving you a particular number of or certain degrees of column width and row height. So this is how you can do this. But again, as I said, students, the best way for you is to click on auto fit row height and auto fit column width. It can give you the best results over here. So this is how you can change the column width or row height. You have here in format, you have some other options as well, but according to the course specifications, these are in later classes, so we will come back to this. One more thing, students, Here if you come to the auto sum over here, these are also functions. So functions will be discussed in detail in the next lecture, right? So far I just want to teach you about the ribbon over here and the important points here. So once we finish this, we will come back to the functions and formulas over there as well. We have fill command here. Fill command, remember students, fill command is used, it has a special this is a special command actually you can use for something. For example, I'm selecting here a value, let's say this value I'm selecting 56. Why I'm selecting 56? Because in surroundings, if you see, all the numbers are different than 56, right? If I'm selecting, for example, here this 87, so 87 is already here, right? So I'm selecting 56 because here is 98, here is 78, here is 90, and bottom is also 78, right? So I will change this value a little bit. Let's make it let's say 67, something like that. Now you can see in the surroundings of this, because fill is used to swap values, if you like. In some cases we are using here fill to swap the values. For example, how to swap the values? If you click on fill, you have fill down, fill right, fill up, fill left is here. Fill down means if I'm selecting fill down from here, what will happen? This 98 will move here to 56 and it will replace with 56. So you will see 98 here, 98 here, like this. If you click here, now you can see two 98s are here, right? I hope it will be clear for you. Once again, for example, if I come here, fill right I want to use. So fill right, what it will do? It will actually move this 78 towards the right side and it will replace the value of 56 over here. So you will see 78 here, 78 here, like this. If you click here, now you can see the value is swapped. Similarly, if you come here, you have here right. Again, if you see fill up is here, fill up, what it will do? In case of fill up, this 67 will move here, this 67 will move here and it will be replaced with 56. So you will see 67 over here as well, like this. Now you can see two 67s over here. Now another is, for example, fill left. Fill left, what it will do? This 90 will be moved and it will be replaced with 56. So if you see, this is actually the swapping of values. If you want to swap the values amongst the cells, so you can use this fill for this. If I'm using fill left, you can see two 90s are here. So this is how you can swap the values, right, of each other. Students, I will wait for your feedback. I hope things are pretty clear for you. You can watch the videos, any video. If you have any comments, anywhere confusion, so you are most welcome in my WhatsApp group. Join the group. I hope lots of students join, but still some needs to join. Please inform your friends as well, those who didn't yet join, to join the group, right? And if you, I will wait for your further feedbacks. If you have any confusion, anywhere problem, you can ask, and even I can repeat this as well for you. So thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you will enjoy this.